Everybody is looking for the secret to YouTube success. AI keywords. Hold the key. Want to boost your YouTube earnings by 50%? In 2024, it's possible. The secret weapon? AI-generated keywords. These aren't just fancy buzzwords. AI keywords are transforming how creators optimize their videos. They are the key to unlocking explosive growth and maximizing your channel's potential. Gone are the days of guessing what your audience wants. AI takes the guesswork out of keyword research. It provides laser-focused insights into what people are searching for, giving you a major advantage in the YouTube game. Ready to see your earnings soar? Let's dive in. Please check in the description below for more tips and tricks on boosting your channel with AI. The YouTube struggle: why most channels never take off. YouTube is the land of opportunity, but it's also a crowded battlefield. Millions of creators are vying for attention. Standing out from the crowd feels impossible. You pour your heart into your content, but your videos get lost in the sea of uploads. The problem? Most creators are fighting a losing battle. They don't understand the importance of keyword optimization. They rely on generic terms that get buried under millions of other videos. Without a solid keyword strategy, your content is invisible. Decoding the AI advantage: how AI redefines keyword research. This is where AI swoops in to save the day. AI-powered tools are revolutionizing keyword research. Forget spending hours on manual analysis and guesswork. AI does the heavy lifting for you. Imagine having an army of data scientists at your fingertips. AI tools analyze massive datasets to identify hidden keyword opportunities. They uncover trends, analyze competitor strategies, and predict what viewers are searching for. This data-driven approach empowers you to create content that ranks higher and attracts a larger audience. Precision targeting: AI unlocks the secrets to finding your audience. AI doesn't just throw random keywords at you, it understands your niche. AI algorithms analyze your channel, your audience, and your competitors. They identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords that resonate with your target viewers. This precision targeting is the secret sauce to YouTube's success. By optimizing your videos with these AI-generated keywords, you attract the right viewers. These are people genuinely interested in your content. They are more likely to watch your videos, subscribe to your channel, and become loyal fans. From zero to hero, a success story fueled by AI keywords. This is not just another tale, it's a transformation showcasing the power of technology in the digital age. Real creators are seeing incredible results with AI-generated keywords. These tools are revolutionizing content discovery and consumption. Take Sarah, a passionate food blogger struggling to gain traction on YouTube. Despite her dedication, her channel wasn't growing. Her beautifully shot recipe videos were lost in a sea of food content. The competition was fierce, her views were low, and her subscriber count was stagnant. It was disheartening. Frustrated, Sarah decided to try an AI keyword tool. She was skeptical but hopeful. The tool unearthed a goldmine of untapped keywords related to her niche. She revamped her video titles, descriptions, and tags using these keywords. The results were astounding. Her videos started ranking higher, bringing in a surge of new viewers. Within months, her channel views tripled, her subscriber count skyrocketed, and her YouTube earnings increased dramatically. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of AI in transforming digital content creation. Why AI keywords are your ticket to YouTube success. The power of AI keywords is undeniable. They give you a significant edge in the competitive YouTube landscape. Here's why: improved discoverability. AI-powered keywords make your videos more visible in search results, attracting a wider audience. Targeted traffic: AI helps you reach the right viewers who are genuinely interested in your content, leading to higher engagement. Increased views and subscribers. More visibility and targeted traffic translate into more views, subscribers, and ultimately, higher earnings. Data-driven insights. AI provides valuable data and analytics, helping you understand your audience and optimize your content strategy. Unleash the power of AI tools to catapult your channel's growth. Ready to harness the power of AI for your YouTube channel? With the right tools, you can optimize your content, reach a wider audience, and ultimately grow your channel faster than ever before. There are incredible AI-powered tools available that can help you find those golden keywords. Check some of our suggested links in the description. Imagine having a personal assistant that helps you choose the best tags and keywords to make your videos more discoverable. These tools provide AI-driven keyword recommendations, channel audits, and performance tracking. It's like having a data scientist on your team, giving you insights into what works and what doesn't, so you can fine-tune your strategy. Keywords.io. This tool uses AI to generate long-tail keywords, analyze search trends, and identify competitor keywords. By understanding what your audience is searching for, you can create content that meets their needs and stands out in a crowded market. These are just a few examples of the many AI tools available. Experiment with different options to find the one that best suits your needs and budget. Remember, the key to success is not just creating great content, but also making sure it gets seen by the right people. So dive into the world of AI tools and watch your channel soar to new heights. The future is AI. Embrace the change and watch your channel soar. Imagine your content reaching new heights, all thanks to artificial intelligence. YouTube's success belongs to creators who embrace AI. It's not just about new tools, it's about transforming your approach to content creation. AI-generated keywords are the future of YouTube optimization. They help you target your audience more effectively, ensuring your videos get discovered by the right viewers. Stay ahead of the curve. AI helps you adapt to the changing YouTube algorithm and stay ahead of competitors. Analyze trends and predict what content will perform best. Maximize your earning potential. AI helps you reach a wider audience, increase views, and boost revenue. Imagine the possibilities when your content is optimized for engagement. Focus on what you do best. AI takes the guesswork out of keyword research, freeing up your time to create amazing content. Let AI handle the technical details while you focus on your creative vision. Don't be left behind. Embrace AI-generated keywords and watch your YouTube channel soar. The future is now, and those who adapt will thrive. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making money online. There is some helpful link, maybe check in the description.